Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and Moz Pro. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Moz Pro is an all-in-one SEO suite of tools. It allows businesses to improve rankings, increase traffic, and gain more visibility in search results. In domain analysis, you can enter any domain, and it will show you the domain authority, page authority, ranking keywords, and more. The SEO keyword research tool has over 1.25 billion traffic-driving keywords. Enter a keyword and get top suggestions, monthly volume, organic CTR, and difficulty. Moz Pro also provides the world's best backlink checker with over 44 trillion links. In competitive analysis, enter any domain, and it will show you competitive information like your top competitors, keyword gaps, and content opportunities. In domain SEO metrics, you can enter any domain and see the top competitive SEO metrics for that site. Moz Pro offers a 30-day free trial, and paid plans start at $79 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and Moz Pro for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.